How to block someone on Zoom. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can block someone on Zoom. So if this is your question, ensure you watch this video to the end, alright? So the first step is to log in into your Zoom account just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you would be brought to the home page where you'd see several options. You would see download your Zoom etc etc etc. So once you can see this, the next step is to move to your phone's tab, which is located by the left side of the screen. By the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu display options like home, profile, meeting, webinars, phone. Just click on phone. After clicking on phone, you'll be brought to the page, alright? You'll be brought to your page where you would see all of your contacts, you'll see history, you'll see so many contacts in here. Alright. And notice that this is for those that are using the paid version of Zoom. So once you can see all of this, the next step is to select or click history. Alright. When you select history, you take it to another page. On this page, you would see the numbers that you have. Then move to the right of the number that you want to block. That is the right side of the number that you want to block. And then click the more options icon. Once you do that, in the more options icon, once you click on the more options icon, a list of options will be displayed. In this option, select block number. Alright, and then once you click on block number, you'll be taken to another page where you'll be asked why you want to block this number. You can select spam calls or any other reason, and then just like that, that number or that person would be blocked on your Zoom account. It is very simple, right? Yeah. So ensure you try it out today. Thank you for watching.